Hey, Wesley. Come on. Which chair do you want to sit in? Okay, go ahead and sit down.
Why do you have my companion here?
Because we're gonna talk about some stuff. You're gonna have some fun, okay? Hey there. The last time you saw the studio was with Wesley. For the last 8 videos, we've been having fun exploring different music production concepts, but we're on to new things and a new EP. The studio's a mess because I've just been in my space creating, but now it's time to clean things up, upload the album, and upgrade my desk. Speaking of uploading, today is release day. Practically Abandoned, the second EP, is out. And I'm stoked. And overwhelmed. Things are changing, things are getting upgraded, I'm stoked. Let's do it. I'm getting way ahead of myself. This is all the stuff that needs to get set up, but first I gotta take some things away. Let's do that. The first thing that needs to get set up is the monitor stand from Zigo Technologies. Check that out. Customizable faceplates. Of course, I just went with orange. Boom, and they're magnetic. How awesome is that? So cool. That is genius. The tools inside of the arm that hide behind the magnetic cover, that was a really good touch. Yes. Wow, that is something to get used to. It's awesome. Right here, I'm guessing. The Hover Bar Duo. My iPad's inside, so I gotta get that later, but I just had to check this out. Very awesome. What's next? There's no need to delay the inevitable. It's time to move on to cable management. You know when you have that random situation where you want to plug in a piece of gear on your desktop and you need a plug? That's what this is for, increasing workflow. That's really what the theme of all of this stuff is. Ergonomics, productivity, all that good stuff. Anything that makes the process a little bit easier. All very important things. And then the cable management is genius. I love it. It's a trough that you can get in like any size, and then the ends just attach to it like this. So when this is upside down like this under your desk and it locks it, boom. So it just holds it like a little carriage. It's genius. And if you ever need to access your cables, you just go like that and this thing can hinge open. Compared to the mess that's under my desk right now, this is a huge upgrade. And it's also appropriately named Easy Access. Time to go under the desk. This right here was my cable management setup for under my desk. I took an old just strap of Velcro and screwed it to the bottom of the desk. And then once I had a nice bundle of all the cables, just strapped it on. So yeah, from this to the easy access. That is awesome. No more cable management stuff. I'm not gonna bore you with that. I gotta figure out where everything goes and kind of work in this space to figure out how everything should settle in nicely. Okay, not sure exactly what to do about all of that. I'm still standing here scratching my head. It looks awesome. I'm kind of overwhelmed. I still need to put this chair together, so that's what I'm gonna do now. How are you not going to use a blade to open a box? It's so satisfying. And here is the bottom. Nice round bottom. Nice and padded. Much better than the chair I've been sitting in. Yo, yeah. I don't know why I'm doing that. Things. Lots of things. And some wheels. I guess I'll need that. Time to assemble. Right on. Woo! Oh man, nothing against the old orange chair, but this one is definitely much better. Unfortunately, I realized when assembling it that it didn't come with the thing at the bottom, the footrest. Anyway, this is an upgrade too, so I'm glad that's done. Truly, I am grateful not only for this space and company supporting me, but most importantly, to you. I'm grateful that you're watching and listening to what I create. I nearly gave up on music more than once in my life, and that's why my new EP is called Practically Abandoned. We've all been there. I hope that when you listen to it, it encourages you to keep going, and that's why I say, make more music. I hope you do just that. Much love. Peace.
Out of chaos comes design. And out of darkness comes the light, the light, the light, the light. Yeah, I stay